All these people, when you see say, they go say that they call themselves brother and sister. She they call me brother, me self I they call and sister too. Anybody when you don't hear say those matter they come out for their mouth, make you borrow leg, John leg, make you run sharp. Such people, my correct people, this gist e carry weight, not be small. Make I first hello now, my correct people. Hello, my wonderful kings and queens. Welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you know go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, this gist just they come now, this news just they come now. Say Churchy, which is Tonto Dike's husband, when he come marry new wife, when they call Roseline, when he's supposed to be sister or when he's supposed to be secretary, say they don't put to bed, they don't bouncy baby boy. Hey, my correct people, not be smart, you know. Hey, then talk say this pikin when they born so say na Switzerland that they for born the pikin. And to crown it all, the thing when come make internet be like say the thing they go gaga, my correct people, now the full gist now one they give on us. So number one, what it make internet they go gaga, what it make many people they talk the matter, then come talk say why be say as they born this pikin the same name when they give that Tonto Dike pikin when they call King Andre, now the same name now this Churchy gang carry give this in new bouncy baby boy, he call him Churchy King Churchy. My people, I go read waiting talk for now later, make I first talk small. Not be only that one though. Now three things now people say hold this man. Another thing people come talk say he come like say they want they turn the whole matter put for Tonto Dike head. Hey, why? Because they say Tonto Dike talk say this Churchy say now 2 seconds, I be 40 seconds. You know, say now 40 second man, I the man be. Say how come now this man now come they distribute? He come they distribute baby boys everywhere when be say now 40 seconds they be. That one are the thing when some people they talk. Oh, hey, another one come be saying. People can see some people come they talk say this pikin it be like say not be now not being them born the pikin, which me I agree because me myself I will still do more digging for inside this matter. This pikin self if it possible say it don't even start primary one. Yes, because the way I they look at these pictures and all those things when they come they show, so it be like something they say they don't do and keep, maybe they don't get the courage to carry and come public because of the thing when it surrounds their relationship. I be my people, how not think am? Now the way they think am, so that's why they talk am. So the Churchy himself now, this thing when he writes for a wife, this Roseline now when be wife, waiting he write, make I read am for now first. He can talk say, it's a moment of bliss and celebration to us as I announced the coming of King Churchy Jr. From my formative years, I have always had the royal tag of king for my kids to be greater than the father. Ahead of the Mother's Day, I say a big congratulations to my lovely wife for this great testimony. This decision I made 2 years ago is not a mistake, but a divine ordination. Now people now here, he said, this decision I made 2 years ago, that means say this thing it be like say it don't take for granted. Even that video when it can go viral, I don't say get the time when be say we do some video when concern this matter, say this woman don't get belle, this Roseline don't even get belle. When that is not the period when they show some videos when they go viral, when they talk say color be Churchy for Tonto Dike hand, say na destiny, say na it be the destiny when God create for am, so on and so forth. We can't even dey talk for some all those videos. Make you go through my channel, you see where I don't do video when concern this matter. This thing not be new matter. So say this Roseline don't even get belle. Some people say still they when they talk say na lie. Say we won't be blogger with they like they carry aproko with they carry news. You know, I don't know why some people say you anything when you no matter what you even when you show the video, some people just they good at that. Anything when you do they will talk say na lie. Whereas then when they talk, they no go bring their proof. They no go get anything when they go take back and up say this thing when you they talk you won't be the blogger. Now lie you talk. See the truth. They don't get anything to back and up. They not just get anything to say. This now the proof of waiting that they talk. Now some people are just listening about belle. Anything when you bring, they go talk saying a lie. But they go around. They go other places, go read them for BBC and different places. They go agree. But for the moment, say you won't be the YouTuber when be say na your mouth if come out, just because na your mouth if come out, they go talk saying a lie. Yet they go see the look am. So my correct people. So that video when it go viral, when this Roseline come they talk that time talk say. he no collect Tonto Dike for, he no collect Churchy for Tonto Dike hand, blah blah blah. Come they make all those videos when he come they go viral. Meanwhile, people talk say she don't even born that time. She don't born. They don't born though. They don't even do the traditional marriage. They don't pay bride price. They don't do everything. They come be like say they hide the whole thing, because the thing when it surrounds their relationship, shame no will let them just carry the thing come public like that. My correct people, me myself, I go still dig into this matter, because something they tell me say, this thing now old gist, this thing now old story when be say now then decide to bring and come the public. I go still touchlight the matter. I go still dig inside the matter. I go still bring the update for now. So my correct people, I don't know how now think. Now the way I think and I be this so. So for this Churchy now come be say now the same name when he first give his first son, because Churchy don't first get one girl from one woman when he first marry. No say this Churchy now, this one are the third wife when they marry, so he don't first marry one woman. And before he come, that one born girl for him. Before he come marry Tonto Dike, that one born boy for him. Before he come marry this Roselyn, now this one now still born boy for him. So the pikin when he get now, totally now 3 children, a girl and 2 boys. Now Churchy get now. So people now be like saying that Tonto Dike now they want the taste style they drag, and in the sense that why it talk say Churchy say now 2 seconds, I been na 40 seconds, I be how come now it can't be say it can't become distributor, it can't they distribute children left and right. My correct people, some people need to wake up. Some people need to wake up. Not be how man take rich with woman, not be till they born twins. Not be how man take rich with woman, not be till they get belle. Then they talk say quality not quantity. Now Igbo people they use that thing, they make parable. Now know what that thing mean. Quality not quantity. So this one they among those that parable when they make. So my correct people, I don't leave the matter for now. I make myself just to look the whole matter. How I think and what I think about this thing. This one can be say Churchy himself now can't choose the name when be say he first give his first son. Since now he wants to give his second son. That is the children now just be like say from ground and when they do competition. That means say be like say now Tonto Dike said now they take they shine. That is definitely then when they give that name. I know say some people will talk say anybody get right to give name when he like, yes, but this one are your children. This one will be another person name. How you will give your children the same 2 names? That means say now Tonto Dike now they shine. Without Tonto Dike, nobody go even know them, nobody go talk of them. So for me now the Roselyn when they say now they pity for, because you'll be like say this Churchy just the user and the shine. Yes, now she be the she be the scapegoat when they inside. The Churchy just the user and the shine. So my correct people, I know say as an Oyibo talk, they say love is blind. And when some people read they love, anything when you tell them, make them do. Anyway you push their head go, they go fall. Now that one I believe say if they do Roselyn, I wish her good luck. Maybe they see how he go dance. The moment I remember say, then say person when he talk say everybody not good, you go know say that person not good. Churchy don't marry first wife, he don't fit stay. Second one, he marry and he don't fit stay. So this third one, my people, I don't reserve my comments for them, and I will come finish on for that side. So make una just drop on our comment below at the comment section. What do you think for this matter? Congratulations anyway. I don't say that pikin they innocent, consign waiting there for grant. Now Roselyn and this Churchy now then be the talk when they inside this matter. So I beg my people, make una just leave una comment below at the comment section how una see and what una think. I will leave una for here today. I will hang the story for here today. I will still give una more update if it's still there for this matter. I beg, if you be say you never subscribe and are your first time, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. And those of now will be my returning subscriber and my viewer when they helping they watch my video every time when I drop them. Now God will bless you. I do appreciate you. Thank you so much. I will see you now very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.